Yeah, something I've not wanted to happen, but it has happened. Unfortunately, I've been recording over the last 4 days and two separate vlogs, and the footage is ruined. Let me quickly show you. So yeah, this right here are all my files. It's literally two different vlogs recorded over 4 days, and there's no audio. For whatever reason, the microphone was not recording properly. So yeah. So unfortunately, there's gonna be no vlog this weekend because the footage has been ruined. So yeah, just putting this out there now, letting you all know. Do apologise. I'll have to try and create some more next week. Well, I'm on a flat bed next week, so hopefully it'll be a bit more interesting anyway. So do apologise. I'm not leaving. I haven't stopped. I will be back. I'm gonna have to see now what bloody GoPro. Yeah, I'll check it out, make sure it all works, and I'll get back soon.